Hey babes, it's Trenae. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Hi, how are you? Today I'm doing a haul for you guys. So today I'm actually doing a fall haul. Majority of the pieces that I have are from Zara, and I do have a few things from Nasty Gal. I've been doing a little shopping. You guys know I was going through a tough time, and honestly, retail therapy is therapy. I'm usually an emotional eater, and since I can't do that, I've become an emotional spender. So if you guys are interested to see what I have in this fall haul, then stay tuned and keep watching. Most of these pieces that I have that I'm going to show you are from Zara, like I was saying, but I do have a few pieces from Nasty Gal, so I'm just going to save those for the end. This first thing that I have from Zara is this puffer coat. It's so cute. So of course for fall, a puffer coat is definitely an essential, but to have a leather puffer coat and then a nude leather puffer coat, it's like check, check, check. So I'm super excited that I actually was able to find this. It sold out really quick. It also came in black too, but I mean, I feel like you can find a black puffer anywhere, and I don't have a black leather puffer, but I felt like that would be easier to find than a nude leather puffer. So I wanted to get this one because I know that the quality on this, because it's from Zara, would be up to my standard. I got it in a size large. I really like that the buttons are covered too, and it's not like those metal poppers. It's actually the same color as the coat. The zipper as well. Those were really, really nice touches. It's definitely warm for sure. The only thing that I wish was different about it was that I like a long sleeve, and I like a lot of bunching like at the sleeves when they're gathered like this. So that would have been nice just for the sleeves to be a little bit longer, a little bit more extended. So if you do have long arms, that may be something that you want to look out for, but honestly, I mean, it's still fine. I don't have a problem with it either way. And like I said, I got a size large. My true size would be medium, but I wanted to size up just so it could fit a little bigger. I actually could have even got it in an extra large, just because you guys know I like my stuff. I like my clothes to be huge. You know that. But yeah, I know that I'll get so much wear out of this. Like, honestly, this color, it goes with everything. So you can just throw it on, layer it over a turtleneck. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. This next item that I have here is a leather blazer. Now let me tell y'all something about this blazer. Okay, Zara was playing a lot of games because this blazer was sold out. I mean, I don't, probably like 5 times. Like, it sold out, and then I like signed up for the, you know, to get the alert when it restocked, and then it restocked, and then it sold out, and then it restocked, and then it sold out. Like, this blazer was a hot commodity, I will say. So I'm pretty sure you'll see this all up and down your Instagram feed because everybody and their mother has ordered this blazer because it restocked 5 times. So there you have it. But I mean, who can blame them? You know, we love a good blazer here. I am all about a blazer. Blazers make everything better, and the fact that it's a leather blazer is like another fall essential, another fall staple. So I'm super excited that I was able to actually get this, and I got it in a size extra large because you guys know Zara has been very disrespectful lately, but in a good way, because I feel like sometimes you go on Zara and like you can't find anything on the website, but then there are other times when you go on Zara and like every single piece on the website you're adding to your cart, you're adding to your cart, you're adding to your cart, and before you know it, you're at like $1,500, and it's like, oh, whoa. Is that a personal experience? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know what Zara's doing right now, but whatever it is, they need to keep it up because everything on that site is cute. Like, I've been on that site multiple times within like the past 2 months since they've started releasing their fall stuff, and everything. Go on Zara. Hurry up too, because the stuff is selling out. Next up, we have this dress. This dress is so cute. I love this color. You guys know it's just chocolate. It's like the color of like chocolate mousse or something. I don't know, but you know that this is a popular color of the season, and definitely a popular color for Zara. Like, they have a lot of pieces in their fall collection that are this color. This dress caught my eye because of the sleeve here, like the sleeve detail, and then it's the hook and eye closure. And usually I would steer away from a dress that has hook and eye closure for fear that it will pull and you would be able to see through it. But the way that this one is constructed, I didn't have that issue at all. It fits like a glove. I love the length, so it's good to be dressed up, or you can dress it down with boots. And the mock neck, I'm here for it. Mock necks, turtlenecks in the fall and winter is my safe space. So this dress is really, really cute. I know that I'll get a lot of wear out of it. I got it in a size medium. This next sweater I'm sure you've seen before because I featured it in my fall trends video and some of my other lookbooks, but I had to put it in this haul because this sweater is so, I love how this sweater fits. I'm not crazy about the length, but I think that's just because of the way that my body is proportioned. I feel like maybe someone who has a longer torso would not mind where it hits on them, but that's an easy fix because I can just do like the half tuck or the front tuck or something like that, or even tuck it in completely and kind of like fix that and it won't even be a thing anymore. But this has padding in the shoulders, and I also like how it kind of like sticks out at the shoulders, like the padding. Also like how it sticks out at the shoulders, like the padding doesn't stop right here where your shoulder ends, if that makes sense. Again, turtleneck, hello. This is a great sweater vest for the sweater vest trend. You can easily layer this over like another tight fitting long sleeve shirt, or even like a white button down, and it's in that color of the season. We love the chocolate brown. We're obsessed with this color. This color just screams fall. Another good piece that you'll get a lot of wear out of. Are you guys ready for this next top? It actually looks like maybe it's for a child but this has a lot of stretch to it and it fits like a dream. It's another one of the sweaters that has shoulder pads in it, and I love just how it accentuates the shoulders. I don't know if it's just like my proportions and my body style, maybe because I'm a little bit top heavy, but it's just something about having that exaggerated shoulder that's really flattering. I feel like on myself it kind of like balances out, you know, with all this that's going on in this region. So I love this color, like, and these types of sweaters to me are just so chic. Like ribbed turtleneck sweaters in this color, they're just so chic to me. And the sleeves are really long, which I like. I love that. I love having a really long sleeve that like hangs down on my hands, and it's very warm. It's like another piece that you can get a lot of wear out of. You can pair this with jeans, a skirt over a dress, under a blazer, like just one of those really, really good winter staple pieces that you'll get a lot of wear out of. And I got this in a medium and it was $35.90. Alright, so next up is this olive green, sage green bodysuit. It has all of this is sheer here, and as you can see it has this like ribbing here, almost kind of like a corset style, or like a illusion of a corset layered over like a mesh bodysuit type of thing. So I was watching Aaliyah's Face. I was watching Aaliyah's Face vlog. Aaliyah was in Zara, and I saw this top hanging on a shelf in the background, and I was like, oh my gosh, what is that? I have to go on Zara right now and find it. And so I did, and I ordered it, and I was obsessed with it until I actually put it on. I don't love the fit, and I'm wondering maybe if I wasn't as top heavy, like because I have bigger breasts, maybe it's just not that flattering on me. But I love the idea and the concept of it. I'm just not crazy about the fit. And I also really like the color, but it just really didn't do it for me like I thought it was going to. It's a little bit sad and unfortunate, but I don't think I'm going to keep this. This next top, oh my goodness, you got, look at the detail. This top, I stopped dead in my tracks when I saw this on the website. I was like, I don't know what this is, but I have to have it. This cut here, and this is a simple piece that has detail that I'm all about this kind of stuff. Like having something very simple, a sleeveless turtleneck crop top, but then having like this interesting, like super cool detail here with the drawstrings, which actually you can ruche if you are into that, if you're into that vibe. It zips up the back. This top, y'all, it's doing things for me. It's doing all the things. I just know that this will look good with everything, like leggings, jeans, a skirt, like just anything. And also on the website, I believe that they actually like maybe had this tied around the legs some kind of way, or even tucked it in so that it gives the illusion of a bodysuit. I'm obsessed. It doesn't stretch much, but I also kind of like that still because it gives me structure, because I don't want to wear, like I can't really wear a bra with this. So it's good because it holds me in really good and gives me support since I'm not able to wear a bra. But I got this in a size medium. Alright, next up I have these jeans here. These are the 90s full length jean. I got these in a size 8. I needed some black jeans. All the jeans that I had are too big, so I'm just looking for, you know, good jeans to build up my jean collection again. It's a good problem to have, but you know, I don't have any. So I've been looking for good jeans, and these, I'm so happy that I got these. I love the silhouette of these. I wanted my jeans to be like a more relaxed fit. I didn't want like a skinny or straight leg black jean, at least not right now. And because I feel like it just would be more versatile and more comfortable. So I'm really happy with these. They fit great. I was a little bit like scared of the sizing, but I actually feel like I got a good size. I know that they are going to stretch out with some wear. They're a teeny bit snug, but I actually like that because I feel like when I have jeans that are high-waisted and they fit a little more snug, they just kind of like cinch your waist in a little more, and that's what I want. But I'm really happy with these, and I'm glad that I got them, and I'm glad that I got a size 8, because I was going back and forth between a size 8 and a size 10, and a size 10 was actually my recommended size, but I got a size 8, and I'm glad that I did. If you're looking for, you know, black loose fitting like relaxed jean, then I would say go ahead and grab these. And they're a good length too, and they have this detail here, which I love, like the cutoff detail. It's not like a real hem, so I think that's really cool also. Alright, so that was the last piece from Zara. So I just got a few, very few pieces from Nasty Gal, and the first one is actually this bodysuit that I'm wearing. I like this cut on the bodysuit. It's almost like a racerback cut. It's full back, and it's almost like Zara kind of makes these like tank tops and bodysuits. The material is like, you know, almost like really like smooth and satiny, and it stretches a lot. I got this in a size 6, and then I also got the same one in white. You know, these are just good basics to have for you to like layer under blazers or under jackets or under sweaters or something like that, and you can wear them all year round. I did get both of them in a size 6, but the white fits bigger, like it doesn't fit the same. So I thought that was kind of weird. I still like them nevertheless. It's just that this one was too big and it didn't fit. Alright, and then the last piece that I got was this blazer from Nasty Gal. Like, it reminds me of like Mulan when she was like a soldier. It kind of reminds me of like the jacket, like that. I loved how it had like this structured element here. It's almost like a vest over a jacket sort of thing. This is the back. I loved the color. It has the satin lapels here, and then this belt that goes around, but it's too small. So I waited about getting this. I was debating, and I had a large in my cart and I didn't get it, and then it sold out. So I got it in a medium, and it's just too tight. Like, it doesn't fit how I wanted it to fit, so that's unfortunate. But I still love the piece nevertheless. It just didn't work for me. That wraps up my fall haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'll leave a link to everything mentioned in this video if it is still available. So make sure that you check the description box for any of that information. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you can see when I wear these pieces and style them up and make looks out of them. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, guys. Until next time.